1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some examples of using at, on, and in for time. At is usually used for the time. For example, I left the hotel at 6 a.m. On is used for dates or days. For example, I'm going to a soccer game on the 5th of March. In is used for months, seasons, years, and sometimes of the day. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but we say at night. For example, I went to Hawaii in August. In the morning, I went surfing. I stayed in my hotel at night. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.